If you have lower back pain, then you may benefit from a back brace, but not just any back brace. You're going to get more benefits out of a back brace that is heated, that also has infrared light therapy, and that also vibrates. And that's what this one right here is going to offer. This back brace has been sent to me free of charge for this review. It's very easy to put on. It just wraps around your waist and it's going to Velcro in the front. Then we have 2 more straps that are going to also stretch and wrap around the front of your body just to give it some more stability. Right here is going to be our control panel. So we have our on and off, which is going to be located at the front. And then we have some different modes here. So this is going to be our vibration. We have 3 different vibration modes. This is going to be our heat. We have 3 heat modes as well. And then it's also going to tell us our temperature in Fahrenheit. If you need to switch the temperature to Celsius, just hold those 2 modes at the same time and it will switch. And then if we click the power button, it's going to lock the screen. So while you are wearing this around your house, while you're walking your arm, isn't going to accidentally bump it and mess up any of your settings. Taking a look at the inside of the back brace, we do have some stability right here, so it's not just cloth around you. It does actually give you some support in your back. Next, we have the infrared lights. Tons of benefits that you're going to receive from the infrared light therapy. And then on each side, we do have a very, very soft fabric where the little vibrators are located. So overall, this is a really nice back brace. Like I said, if you do have a sore back, whether it be from sitting all day or just overuse, some sort of injury, then this right here, something that's going to provide you with a little bit of relief.